The new National Library of El Salvador represents a significant milestone in the culture and education of the country. The library was officially inaugurated on November 18, 2021, although its construction began several years earlier. This project was part of an effort to modernize and expand the cultural and educational resources available to the Salvadoran population. It is located in the historic center of San Salvador, in a building that combines modern elements with the traditional architecture of the city. The creation of this library aims to promote reading and access to information, as well as to preserve the cultural heritage of the country. The library stands out for its contemporary and functional design, with spacious open areas that encourage social interaction and learning. Its structure includes reading areas, study rooms, and auditoriums. It houses a vast collection of books, historical documents, and digital materials. It focuses on both national and international literature, as well as educational resources for students and professionals. It incorporates advanced technologies to facilitate access to information. This includes digital services, free internet access, and workstations equipped with computers. The library is not only a space for reading, but also organizes cultural events, literary workshops, art exhibitions, and conferences, becoming a dynamic cultural center for the community. Sustainable practices have been implemented in its construction and operation, aiming to minimize environmental impact. The new National Library of El Salvador is a symbol of the country's commitment to education and culture, providing an accessible and modern space for the intellectual and cultural development of its citizens.